Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here in this page. After that you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you will enter to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite, you can uninstall your app, and you can wait 3 seconds to install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.